balance sleep disturbances and insomnia with alternative medicine. Complementary and alternative medicine, also known as CAM, is only growing in popularity. With the demands of modern society's immediacy and highly stressful environment, sleep and overall well-being of many individuals fall to the wayside. CAM methods are offered as an alternative or a simultaneous treatment for illness, disease, or symptoms. Complementary methods might be practiced alongside modernized medicine. Alternative medicine might take over a treatment path in its entirety. Insomnia can be defined, according to the DSM, as dissatisfaction with sleep quantity or quality, with symptoms lasting 1 month or longer, including difficulty initiating sleep, difficulty maintaining sleep with frequent awakenings or problems returning to sleep after awakenings, early morning awakening with inability to return to sleep. Alternative medicine options for insomnia are numerous. Different practices will work for different people. Find yours today. Aromatherapy. The diffusion and inhalation of therapeutic-grade essential oils can work wonders for insomnia and sleep problems. Lavender, valerian, clary sage, sweet marjoram, and Roman chamomile are your best essential oil options. Yin yoga is another effective option for insomnia and improved sleep. Within this